Hello, and thank you for choosing Harold G. Schaevitz Industries. Today, we'll explore the wiring configurations of 2-wire, 3-wire, and 4-wire 4-20mA LVDTs or LVITs. Whether you're a technician or an instrument engineer, understanding these wiring methods will help you make informed decisions for your industrial automation applications. An LVDT or LVIT is a type of position sensor that converts linear displacement into an electrical signal. The 4-20mA signal is the most widely used analog signal in industrial applications. At calibrated zero displacement, the sensor outputs 4 milliamps, and at calibrated full-scale displacement, it outputs 20 milliamps. Now let's break down the different wiring configurations. A 2-wire LVDT is powered by a low-voltage DC power supply, typically 24 volts DC. What makes this system unique is that it draws power from the 4-20mA loop itself, while also transmitting the measurement signal. How does it work? The positive terminal of the power supply connects to the positive terminal of the LVDT. The negative terminal of the LVDT connects to the positive terminal of the PLC analog input. The negative terminal of the PLC connects back to the negative terminal of the power supply, completing the loop. A 3-wire LVDT has 3 dedicated connections: a power wire, a signal wire, and a ground wire. How does it work? The power supply provides 24 volts DC to the LVDT. The LVDT outputs the 4-20mA signal to the PLC analog input, and the ground wire is shared between the LVDT and PLC, forming the return path. A 4-wire LVDT has 2 pairs of wires, 1 pair for the power supply and 1 pair for the control signal. Unlike 2-wire systems, a 4-wire LVDT is externally powered and is isolated since there's no connection between power and ground. How does it work? The power supply provides voltage to the LVDT. The LVDT generates a 4-20mA signal, which is sent to the PLC analog input. The signal wires form a parallel connection rather than a series circuit. Now that you understand the difference between 2-wire, 3-wire, and 4-wire 4-20mA LVDT systems, you can select the best configuration for your application. If you've had unique experiences configuring these LVDTs, share your insights in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new content. For additional pricing and technical questions, visit us at hgsind.com. Harold G. Schaevitz Industries. Performance and reliability is our business.